First, let's download the Ubuntu ISO image file. Go to ubuntu.com, under Get Ubuntu, press Download 22.04 LTS. This will download Ubuntu ISO file. Open up VMware Workstation 17, and create a new virtual machine. Select Custom, then browse to the ISO file. It should detect it as Ubuntu. Click Next, then set a username and a password. Set where to save the OS files. Select one processors, and your core's number, then set RAM size. Let it boot into the Ubuntu Linux installation. Set a username and a password. Restart Ubuntu. Enter your password. All done. Please subscribe.